Hello everyone, welcome back to DJ Spec channel. Today we are going to discuss how to work with Google Classroom and how to create rubrics in Google Classroom. For that, initially we have to sign in our Gmail account. So I have already signed in my Gmail account. Click on to the Google Apps icon and select Classroom here. So this is our classroom. I have created two classes. So here you could see the plus icon to create or join a class. Click on to this. If you want to join a class, click this and enter the class code to join. Or you can click this create class, enter all the details of the class name, session, subject, room, everything. After that you can click create to create the class. Okay, we'll move on to this BSc Computer Science class. This is the class code. So click this display icon. This code you have to share it to the students to join the class, or you can invite it through the People's tab. And now Google Meet is integrated with this Google Classroom. So you can, with this classroom itself, you can generate a meeting link to the students for the class. Okay, so after that there are four tabs available in the stream tab. This is the stream tab. Whatever the information you need to communicate to the students, you can just post it here. Share something with your class, click here. If you want to communicate any test or assignments, you just share your text here and select which class you need to communicate. You can select the students also. After that you can post it. So similarly students can view your post and comment on it. And in the next tab, classwork. So classwork, here you will assign the assignments, quiz assignments, questions, or material posting. Everything can be done here. So if you click this create, so we'll go for assignment. Click this assignment. So title, you have to give some title, system, software, or something. Any title you can give it. And instruction is optional, like you can give instructions, complete this assignment, complete this assignment. That's it, complete this assignment. So here there is an attachment icon. Click this attachment icon. You can add your material or from any of this followings, and also you can create questions. You can use any of these platforms, Google Docs or slides or forms, anything. You can create it and submit it to them. And here you can go for which class you are assigning this work. And points, you by default it is 100. You can change it to 20 or 30. And due date, the date you can mention it here, today. And time is optional. If you want, you just click it, it will be giving before today you have to submit this assignment. And a topic, under any topic you are creating this, you can give, or else you can go for no topic something. You can create the topic as well here. And this is one of the most important feature, rubric. So what do you mean by rubric? Rubric is nothing but a scoring guide used to evaluate the performance of the student's assignment. So before you submit an assignment, I mean before you assign this assignment to the students, you create rubric. It is one of the helpful feature for the students to understand on what basis you are going to evaluate the assignment. Similarly, the teachers also, it is very easy to evaluate the assignment. So now we will click this rubric and create a rubric here. It will ask for criteria to be set by the teacher. So we can have some criteria here. So first it is asking for criterion title. We'll give content evaluation. So anyway they are going to submit an assignment, so content evaluation. Okay, this is my first criteria. So the criteria description is optional. If you want, you can give, or else leave as such. And points, so I am giving here 5 points. uh, level is excellent. If everything is perfect, I'll give 5 points. Description, like you can give detailed explanation, with diagrams and examples. So you can give like this. Okay, so this is my first criteria. So click on to add the next level. Okay, so if you give 4 points here, the same, the level title would be good. And description, the same description you copied from here, paste it here and just give good explanation. Good explanation. And next level similarly, third one, so we can give average and add the same thing here. So average explanation. Okay, and next level points, 2 points, and this is acceptable, like, okay, acceptable. Give the same thing, moderate or something, moderate explanation, and give for 1 point, and give a poor, minimum explanation. Okay, I paste it here, erase this detail. Okay, now minimum explanation with diagrams and examples. So I have set some criteria for evaluating the assignments. So after you finish all these tasks, you can also add another criteria, like the same thing will be visible there. You can give the criteria title as spelling, punctuation marks, or grammatical mistake. I will assign this much of points and all, you can give it. So I'll add one criteria here and click on to save. So the rubric is now added to your assignment. So here you could see rubric 1 criterion 5 points. So rest of the 15 points we evaluate with the other things related to the assignments. And similarly after this you could see the originality report. This originality report is for checking your authenticity. I mean, it helps the students to identify if there is any uncited text in their assignment, they can correct it and submit it. And also, it helps the teachers to see where the students used this source material. So if you prefer to enable this originality report, you can, or else leave as such. So now everything is over, you can assign it. And so we could see 4 options: assign immediately, or schedule it later, or draft it, or discard the draft. Now I am assigning. So if I assign, if I click assign, I am giving an assignment to the students. Similarly, the students could view this assignment. Okay, in the stream tab it will be available here. The first assignment I have given and the second assignment I have given like this. So whatever the informations you are communicating to the students, it will be available in the stream tab. Okay, now we'll move on to the people's tab. In the people's tab, here you will invite the students by clicking the this people icon. Okay, invite students by typing their mail or name. You can invite it, or you can send this class code to the students, they can join it. Okay, so here you can invite the teachers as well. And in the grades tab, next tab is grades. So here you could see the assignments which have been given. So if you want to evaluate your assignment, go to this first assignment link, or either by clicking the students icon. So click this here. I have clicked. Here you could see student have submitted one assignment here. Click this, we will view that. So click on to that assignment. The particular student and his assignment is viewed here. So this is how the student will send an assignment. You can view his or her assignments and you can grade the marks. So I have already created a rubric for this assignment. See, so when I point it here, it shows 5 points for excellent, and 4 points for good, and 3 points for average, 2 points acceptable, and 1 point for poor. Okay, so this is how we created a rubric here. If you want, you can give on what basis you are evaluating the assignment. After evaluation, you can give the you can click this rubric. So if you're giving 4 points, you can click onto this. If you're giving 5 points, you can click onto this. Okay, so now I give 4 points, and you could see the 4 points rubric. Out of 5, he scored 4, and rest of them is I have given some marks, so 16 marks. And after then everything is evaluated, you just return this assignment to the students. He can view his assignments and his mark as well. So return it now, so the student will be notified and check any grade you have left. Okay, so you just give the assignment to the student. Okay, so I have written it, so he will be receiving that. Okay, so this is how we create a rubric for the assignments. And one more thing I would like to tell you. See, in this class, no, in this BCA class, you could see the meeting link. It is not visible here. Okay, so if you wanted to enable, go to the settings tab. Here, all the details of classes and grades, everything is available. See here. Here you could see the meeting link. As I told you earlier, Google Meet is integrated with Google Classroom. You can use Classroom now supports Meet also. Okay, so when you click it here, before then there is a tab called Generate Link. When you click that, it will generate a link for us. So before starts the class, you can visible this link to the students so that they can enter into the classroom. After the class, you can disable this link. Okay, and after that you can click on to save. For some security issues you can do this. So this is how we communicate informations to the students. We'll assign some work to the students, we grade it, we create a rubric in this classroom. So this Google Classroom is fantastic and very easy to work with it. I hope this video would be helpful for you. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you so much.